Right. Okay. So last but not least, Zoe Landsman was going to talk to us about lunar dust simulant at the Class Exolith lab. Are you there, Zoe?
Yep, I'm here. Thank you.
Okay, go ahead.
So I'm Zoe. I'm the chief scientist of the Exolith lab. We are part of the Center for Lunar and Asteroid Surface Science, which is a survey node at the University of Central Florida. And the Exolith lab's goal is to develop and produce high mineralogical fidelity regolith simulants for the moon, also Mars and asteroids, to serve the community. And we aim to provide these at low cost and available in large quantities if that's what you want. So today I just want to let you know about our lunar simulants and that we are here to serve the dust mitigation community and help you test your technology and address some of those knowledge gaps. So we have two lunar simulants at Exolith Lab. So there's LHS-1, which is our Highland simulant, and LMS-1, which is our Mare simulant. And each of these comes in two particle size options. So we have our standard LHS-1 and LMS-1, and we aim for the particle size distribution of these to match the average particle size distribution from representative Apollo samples for Highlands or Mare, respectively. But we also have what we call our dust simulants. So those are particle sizes that are primarily below 25 microns in size. So that's LHS-1D, D for dust, and LMS-1D. We're talking about mean particle sizes around in the 5 to 10 micron range for those. So they're quite fine. And this was in response to requests for dust mitigation studies. Next slide, please. So I won't read this whole table to you that has the compositions of our two simulants, but you can find the more information about the simulant composition and analyses that we've done at our website, which is exolithsimulants.com.
Lori, you have 1 minute remaining.
Thank you. But I also want to let you know that you're welcome to contact us you can either contact me directly or our Exolith email address given here. We're happy to make custom simulants. We can change the particle sizes, include minor mineral phases, different shapes and configurations. And we're also here to do stimulant consultations and offer science support with me or with anyone on the class team of regolith experts. And then my last bit of information offer is that we do have free samples upon request. And we now have agglutinate versions of both Highlands and Mare simulants. So if you're interested in anything like that, please contact us. We're happy to hear from you. Thanks.
Okay, great. Well, thank you so much, Zoe, and thank you to all our speakers, especially helping us stay on time. So